Hello. Today we basically just hid behind an op spot and tried to win. Wondering why I'm typing this out because we just couldn't do an intro. Look. Like and sub for a cookie.
From HD. Hi. Today, we are doing a thing.
Boris Johnson.
What?
Today.
So yeah, we got the idea from HJ Dugan. Enjoy the video.
Hope this goes a bit better.
Yes.
Right.
But probably not. This is awkward. I don't like it. This is awkward.
What is awkward?
It just feels awkward when we record it and we like say, oh yeah guys, we are dropping 40 towers. And then there's just silence. That's awkward.
Joe, you're making Imogen's editing job harder.
No, put that in.
Not live.
Put that in. Get your place, Jack.
Let's get to the
Bendix,
spot.
go above and see if people are there. Also
Damn.
shoot to bait people.
Yeah.
Shoot the
Right,
silence.
I'm
doesn't
getting
really
in the hiding
silence.
place.
The SMG is silenced. Are you dumb? Let me attract people. Jack, are you stupid? You go out the door. You go out the door, close it, open it, get on top of it,
You stupid.
crouch.
Okay.
But like
you bait them,
face the
Benedict.
very back of it so you can't see. That's an AI.
We hear shooting.
That's an AI.
Oh.
Damn these AI, bro. They always
AI.
dropping tilted.
AI's always ruin the game.
I want some real players.
Yeah, make it brick so it's harder to see through.
Right. Let's wait. This is gonna take ages until another person comes.
Why does he look so weird when I move this tank up and down? Like, look at my arm.
Wait.
Am I the one that thinks this looks weird or am I weird?
I have no idea what happened next, but I found this.
3v3.
3v3.
I cracked
Come on,
one.
We got this.
I'm really low.
Wait, are they on you guys?
They're all on me. I marked
Oh.
one.
I'm gonna have to
Tag
go
one
on.
on.
Tag
I
one.
knocked one.
Tag 135.
Oh, I knocked another one.
Help
This.
on me.
Dub. Oh,
Yes.
that was enough. I dubbed towards him. Then dub. I accidentally dropped. That's slurpy. Well, not really at there.
Yeah,
But I
like
dropped
you,
when we were over slow.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right,
You're
let's
not like
get
that
to a
slurpy,
murdering
but you
weapon and then let's go to the hiding spot.
Wait, am I even gonna reach the house?
Oh,
Probably
God.
not.
I don't know.
I could definitely make it tilted, but I don't think the
I
house.
don't-
Me.
My murdering weapon.
I've got a murdering weapon as well.
I've got 2 murdering weapons.
I got one murdering weapon.
Weapon.
Leave the chest here. Self
Like
come,
it's bait.
because they'll hear the chest. There's an alarm in the middle of the road, just vibing.
Haha, no.
I hear people. I'm quick
Joey,
getting this llama.
back to
Shoot it,
position.
shoot it, shoot it. I got the llama.
Okay, I'm at the
I'm
spot.
running.
I'm at the spot. Get to the spot.
Joey,
I
come.
keep going behind the fridge.
I'm already behind the fridge.
Oh, the fridge is my spot, man.
Where can I go?
Fine, I'll go on the door. Right. Let's bait people.
Wait, I have chug splashes.
I'm here.
Right, now get your spots.
Right.
I'm just having a little croissant.
I hear someone sand on me.
I'm just having
I see someone.
Look at him.
Kill him.
Take him down.
They're breaking through! Behind you, Jack!
On the hill.
Ah! Got him.
The door!
Whoa.
No! Why do people
Right,
always
just do
mess
the
it up?
fridge. Let's just do the fridge, bro. You just do the fridge.
Definitely my hammer.
But no, get into that box. Get into that box, Jack. No, trust me, the door won't work. Go into that box where Bendix is. I'm gonna put a wall. And then I'm gonna do this. Stay
we can
behind the window. Stay behind the window or whatever so they can't hear you. Jack, go like that side. Jack, go that side where the sofa
Can
is.
I just sit on the chair?
Yeah, and then when they'll come through, they'll...
Look, Joe. Look where I
and
am.
I'll break it. Yeah.
Come on.
Wait, is there someone there?
No.
Okay. People are coming, people are
Jack.
coming.
Look at me, Jack. They're coming.
Surprise! motherfucker.
Yes! Okay.
Get back.
No! There's so many people.
Pretend I'm not here, guys. Kill that guy and then pretend I'm not here.
Okay.
Wait, no, pretend I'm not here. Go away. Jack, why? Go back in the place. Jack!
I'm kinda dead.
Wait, why do I think this would look cool in reverse?
Then I come up.
Kind of cool.
Now you
Jack,
get
why did you run away? Jack, you just ruined our chance at killing someone who's not an AI. I'm just gonna go murder this man.
We need intense music.
Ain't nobody.
Come on, Joe. Let's go.
See him? Tag him 69.
He's cracked.
Wait, let me get this man.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill
Watch
him,
out,
kill
Joe.
him.
Like from below. They're coming up.
Got you, I have a plan. Oh, he's in here. Oh, well. You go to a better place. Get out of the way, please, please.
Noise. Yes.
For the
Go,
fridge.
Rev.
I'm gonna. I actually. I found a new fridge place.
Okay. I've started.
They have boom snipers.
Oh god. I think you might die. You might die. Let's go to the fridge spot.
The second one.
Yes.
The almighty pig. Gives us the power. He's right there.
Okay, this is actually going to be quite good.
Oh my god. You're from.
Okay.
He's from
Don't
Pakistan.
kill him. Let him come in. Let him come in.
He's coming in.
I haven't
He
even
just
got a
broke
gun.
the whole bloody wall. Oh
You
my
dirty rat pig. You dirty rat pig. Troy.
Joe?
Imagine if he just sees this. Look, Joe.
Well, that was close. Jeez, man.
Is this just a normal match for him?
Do a close up bit. Do a close up of this, of me doing this.
Here's your cookie laughing face.